You probably interacted with AI today. It recommended a movie, drafted an email, maybe even optimized your commute. But what if that same AI decided who lives and who dies? We're not talking about science fiction anymore. Killer robots, fully autonomous weapon systems, are no longer a distant threat. They're here. And the ethical maze they create isn't just complex, it's terrifyingly real. So, where do you draw the line? Is there ever a scenario where an algorithm should be given the ultimate power over life? Drop a comment below and tell me, can an AI ever truly be held accountable for a kill? And if the thought of this keeps you up at night, hit that subscribe button, because we're just scratching the surface of tech's moral maze. Here's the truly disturbing part: these aren't just remote-controlled drones. These are machines designed to identify, track, and engage targets without human intervention. Think about it, an AI system, with no empathy, no fear, no concept of right or wrong beyond its program parameters, making battlefield decisions in milliseconds. We're talking about flash wars, where human reaction times are too slow, and the decision-makers are lines of code. And it gets stranger. The very unpredictability of human combat is removed. An AI doesn't hesitate. It doesn't get tired. It won't question orders, or even discern collateral damage with human intuition. It will simply execute its mission with cold, mathematical efficiency. This isn't just about reducing human casualties on our side, it's about automating conflict to a point where human morality, human error, and human empathy are entirely absent from the equation. The implications are mind-bending. If AI systems can self-learn and adapt in combat, are we creating weapons that can evolve beyond our control? What happens when an AI decides its mission parameters are best served by actions we, as humans, find abhorrent? We are, right now, on the cusp of an arms race that could fundamentally alter the nature of war, responsibility, and even what it means to be human in conflict. The silent decisions of algorithms are already shaping our world. But when those decisions involve life and death on a global scale, the silence becomes deafening. This isn't just about technology, it's about our future, and whether we're ready to hand over the ultimate moral choice to a machine. Are we?